What is up, everybody? I am back at it again with another video. And let me tell you, this one is a game changer. We're talking about making serious bank, like $1,350 a day, people, using tools you already have. ChatGPT and Google Drive. I know what you're thinking. Are you out of your mind? That's insane. But trust me on this. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about harnessing the power of AI and the cloud to build a legit income stream. Whether you're a tech whiz or you can barely turn on a computer, this video is your golden ticket. We're breaking it all down step by step so you can start seeing those dollar signs rolling in. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's do this. All right, let's break down these tools and see how they can revolutionize the way you work. First up, we got ChatGPT, the AI marvel that's changing the game. This thing is a beast. Imagine a super brain that can write anything you want, brainstorm ideas in seconds, and even automate those boring tasks you hate. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It's intuitive, powerful, and incredibly versatile. And the best part? It's like having a conversation with a super smart friend who's always ready to help. You tell it what you need and it makes it happen. From drafting emails to generating creative content, it's got you covered. No complicated code, no tech jargon, just pure AI-powered magic that simplifies your life. Next, we got Google Drive, your ultimate digital workspace. You probably already use it to store files, but trust me, this thing is capable of so much more. It's not just storage, it's a productivity powerhouse. Think of it as your online office, accessible from anywhere in the world. You can create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, the whole 9 yards. It's like having Microsoft Office, but in the cloud. And because it's all in the cloud, you can access your work from anywhere, collaborate with others in real time, and never have to worry about losing your files. It's seamless and efficient. But the real magic happens when you combine these two powerhouses. The synergy between them is incredible. ChatGPT creates the content, Google Drive stores and organizes it, and you become an unstoppable earning machine. It's a match made in productivity heaven. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a writer, marketer, designer, or any other professional, these tools can elevate your work. Whether you're into writing, marketing, design, or anything in between, ChatGPT and Google Drive can help you level up your game and start making some serious cash. The future of work is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Now, before we dive into the money-making methods, we gotta talk about niches. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? What problems can you solve? This is where you find your sweet spot, the area where you can truly excel and provide value to others. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be something super specific or technical. Love to cook? Boom! You can create healthy meal plans or recipe ebooks. Got a knack for fitness? Design workout routines or offer online coaching. Passionate about personal finance? Help people budget, invest, and crush their financial goals. The point is, there's a niche out there for everyone. And once you find yours, you can use ChatGPT and Google Drive to create targeted content that people actually want to pay for. Think about it. What are people already searching for online? What questions are they asking? What problems are they trying to solve? Use ChatGPT to research your niche, identify trends, and understand your target audience. The more you know about your niche, the better equipped you'll be to create content that resonates and converts. All right, now it's time to unleash the power of ChatGPT and create some killer content. Imagine having a tool that can help you generate high-quality digital content effortlessly. And when I say content, I'm talking about anything digital that provides value to your audience. This includes a wide range of formats and styles. This could be blog posts, social media captions, or even more specialized content. Ebooks, email courses, templates, scripts, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. The list goes on and on. You can create a diverse array of content to engage your audience. And the best part? ChatGPT can help you create all of this in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Imagine the hours you'll save. Let's say you want to write a blog post about the benefits of yoga. You might spend hours researching and drafting. Just tell ChatGPT. Write a blog post about the benefits of yoga for beginners. It's that simple. Boom! Within seconds, you'll have a well-written, informative, and engaging blog post ready to go. No more staring at a blank screen. But it doesn't stop there. The capabilities of ChatGPT extend far beyond just writing blog posts. You can use ChatGPT to generate different content ideas, helping you overcome writer's block and keep your content fresh. Come up with catchy headlines that grab attention and drive engagement, and even optimize your content for SEO, ensuring it reaches a wider audience and ranks higher in search results. And as you create all this amazing content, Google Drive will be your trusty sidekick, keeping everything organized, accessible, and easy to manage, and ready to share with the world. Collaboration and sharing have never been easier. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is your creative powerhouse, generating ideas and content at lightning speed, and Google Drive is your content library, where everything is stored neatly and can be accessed from anywhere. Together, they form the ultimate content creation machine, streamlining your workflow and boosting your productivity. From content to cash selling your digital products. Okay, we've got the content, now it's time to turn it into cold, hard cash. This is where the magic happens, where your hard work starts to pay off. And trust me, there are more ways to monetize your digital products than you can shake a stick at. The possibilities are virtually endless, limited only by your creativity and determination. One of the easiest ways is to sell your content directly through platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. These platforms have millions of users, giving you a ready-made audience. These platforms make it super simple to upload your products, set your prices, and start selling in minutes. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. For example, let's say you created an ebook about healthy meal prep. This is a niche that has a lot of demand, especially among health-conscious individuals. You could easily sell that on Gumroad for $10 a pop. It's a straightforward way to start generating income from your expertise. Sell 135 copies a day, and boom! You've hit our $1,350 goal. Imagine the possibilities if you expand your product line. But it doesn't have to be ebooks. The digital world is vast and varied. You could sell templates, printables, stock photos, anything digital that provides value to your audience. The key is to identify what your audience needs and deliver it. Another great option is to offer your services as a freelancer. This can be a lucrative way to leverage your skills and expertise. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are teeming with businesses looking for talented writers, marketers, and virtual assistants. These platforms connect you with clients who need your skills. And guess what? You can use ChatGPT and Google Drive to streamline your freelance work, deliver high-quality results, and charge premium rates. These tools can help you manage your workload efficiently and maintain a high standard of work. Level up. Offering premium services with AI. Now, if you really want to take your earnings to the next level, it's time to start offering premium services. These are services that go beyond just creating content and offer a higher level of value and expertise. Think about it. What are you really good at? What problems can you solve for businesses or individuals? Maybe you're a whiz at social media marketing. You could use ChatGPT to help you craft engaging social media posts, schedule them in advance, and track your results. Or maybe you're a gifted writer who can create compelling website copy, sales pages, or email sequences. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas, write faster, and ensure your copy is top-notch. The point is, there are countless ways to leverage your skills and ChatGPT's capabilities to offer premium services that command higher rates. And don't forget about Google Drive. Use it to collaborate with clients, share files securely, and keep your projects organized. By combining your expertise with the power of AI and cloud storage, you can create a truly unstoppable service-based business, automating success, scaling your empire with AI. All right, you've got the content, you're selling products and services, and the money is starting to roll in. Now it's time to scale your empire and automate your success. This is where ChatGPT and Google Drive truly shine. Remember all those repetitive tasks you hate doing? Well, guess what? ChatGPT can automate a lot of them for you. From scheduling social media posts to generating email sequences to even writing basic code, ChatGPT can free up your time so you can focus on the bigger picture. And as your business grows, Google Drive will be there every step of the way, providing you with the storage, organization, and collaboration tools you need to manage your growing empire. Think about it. You could create a whole library of digital products, automate your marketing efforts, and even build a team of virtual assistants, all powered by AI and the cloud. The possibilities are truly limitless. And the best part? You can do all of this from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So what are you waiting for? Unlock your potential, start earning today. So there you have it, folks. Earning $1,350 a day using ChatGPT and Google Drive isn't some far-fetched dream. It's totally doable, and you don't need a fancy degree or a ton of money to get started. What you do need is the drive, the hustle, and the willingness to embrace the power of AI. Take action, put in the work, and watch as your income soars. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more game-changing content, and share this video with anyone who needs a little extra cash in their lives. Let's crush it together. With ChatGPT and Google Drive, earning $1,350 a day is not just a dream, it's achievable. Start today, follow the steps, and let AI work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your success stories. Let's build something amazing together.